Alright boys, welcome back to the channel. So my car has Borla exhaust and it's too quiet, so I'm gonna be changing that today. This is what I got. Yeah, SOP Loudmouth ones, absolutely nothing in them. And I got some new tips too. These are the MagnaFlow 18-inch 3.5-inch tips. A little startup right now and show y'all kind of how it sounds at the moment. So yeah, it's just too quiet. I know a lot of people don't like SOPs and they say they sound like crap, but I really like the way they sound. They're loud, obnoxious, and I like that. So I got all my parts in and got them all at the house and everything, but I haven't put anything on because I've been waiting to get the car painted. I was supposed to get it painted this week, but didn't really work out. So next week, hopefully we'll be getting it painted. And I just wanted to get the car painted and then put everything on. I've got a Mach 1 grill delete, I've got LEDs, I've got my new wheels and tires sitting at the house. I'll be doing a video on that soon. Only thing I've done so far is this short throw shifter, this new knob. Yeah, it's a Steeda short throw. It's so much better than the factory one. But anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. We're gonna go to the exhaust shop and put these SOPs on. Here we are, boys. Pat's Pit Stop in Fife, Alabama. Best exhaust shop around here, hands down. Here's what we got on here right now. It's already got a decent off-road X pipe on it. Alright, well, we got the exhaust done. I didn't really get to film the startup or nothing because I'm the only one today, so got nobody to film for me, but see if y'all can kind of hear this. I'm actually headed to the tire shop right now because my brother is getting my wheels and tires. Well, he's getting my tires put on my wheels. I didn't know my tires were coming in today, so he's getting my tires put on and we're heading down there and we're gonna pick the wheels up. So, but all in all, I'm happy with the exhaust. It sounds really good. A lot better than I thought it was going to. I mean, it's loud, but I'm cruising in 5th gear right now at 55 miles an hour and there's no drone. If anything, it's quieter than it was before, just cruising. But when you get into it, it's pretty loud. I love this shifter too, it's so much better. Oh yeah. Oh my god. Those look different than the last Lionhearts that I had.
Same to me.
Oh, they look different. Brand freaking new. Hell yeah. Cool. Here's the new wheels and tires. SVE Series 1s. The front tires are just pull-offs I got at a tire shop that still have pretty good tread on them, so I got them cheap. We're just gonna use those, and the rears are brand new Lionhearts.